The X1 has proven to be one of the best drones in the drone show industry. Meet the X1 drone. Enjoy precise flight and hours of fun with this SkyDrones HD Pro X1 virtual reality live streaming drone. This drone has Wi-Fi FPV live streaming. How does Drone X1 work? The drone-centered rotors are powered by counter-rotating propellers that are stacked on top of each other. Those rotors are then encased in the device to help promote stability. Then, using a proprietary thrust vectoring technology, the drone not only stays in flight but can also maneuver without colliding with obstacles.